Hello everyone, welcome to AIRSEPT. This video is intended to show you the difference between our Smart Splice lined AC hose connector and our Smart Splice lined transmission and power steering return hose connector. We first must understand the difference between the hose. An air conditioning reduced barrier hose has an interior lining. It is designed to work with refrigerant gases, and that interior lining prevents the small molecules from the refrigerant gases from leaking. A transmission or a power steering hose works on hydraulic system and not gases. The hydraulic systems use hydraulic fluids, so therefore you don't have to worry about gases escaping. The Smart Splice lined to reduced barrier AC hose connection has rounded barbs, and the Smart Splice connector for transmission and power steering return hose has conical barbs. The reason why the AC connector has rounded barbs is when it connects into the reduced barrier hose, we want to make sure not to damage that interior lining. You simply put on the cage and crimp system, take the connector, insert it, tighten the crimps, and you have yourself a leak-free connection. For the transmission or power steering return hose, it utilizes the same cage and crimp technology, and you have the conical barbs that as it is inserted into the hose, it actually bites into the hose, which helps add additional support from pulling out. And then you simply tighten the crimps and you have a leak-free hose connection. To learn more about AIRSEPT's range of Smart Splice line connectors, please visit us at www.airsept.com.